Hey folks, Doug Clark, beautiful day, Vermont Country Campers. We just traded this nice 2014 Avenger, just over 3,000 pounds. Great towable unit. You get your tank and your battery on the front. Awning pretty much covers the whole length of the camper. Storage in the front. I'll let you get a peek on the side of it. Got some storage on the back also. Like I said, you're just getting started out. You want a nice towable unit, self-contained. It's rear bath. You'll see. I'll let you go inside and take a peek at it. Real clean trade. We just got a few days ago. Will not last long. You'll see it's going to have AC, ample storage under the bed, as you can see. Also, the dinette will fold to a bed if you need that. Sometimes you have a few more friends staying over. You got a nice fridge, microwave for popcorn at night. And then, like I said, you could take a peek at the bathroom. Still plenty of room to do what you got to do. Great unit to start making some memories with your family. Some of the best times I've had is camping with my family. Great time, the right time of year. If you want to stop by and see this nice unit, my name is Doug Clark. It's Vermont Country Campers. Stop by. I'd like to show it to you. Thank you.